I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have your dataset and you know which cell holds X. Start by confirming numbers are numeric, not text, because formulas fail on text. Next, select the cell where X must appear and plan the formula path. Reference direct cells, named ranges, or an intermediate helper column. Once done, toggle Formula View or use the Name Manager to confirm named ranges resolve correctly. This prevents wrong references. Make sure calculation mode is automatic, so results update immediately as you build the formula. Now you construct the actual expression for X, starting with the simplest function that fits: sum for totals, index/match for lookups, or a conditional if for branching. Build in stages. Place intermediate results in helper columns to isolate errors, because complex nested formulas are hard to debug. Once a segment is written, press F9 to evaluate selected portions and confirm outputs. Then use trace precedence and trace dependence so you can see why a cell produced its value, which helps you refine the logic. Finish by locking reference types with $ when copying formulas across ranges, and add IFRA wrappers to provide graceful fallbacks instead of ugly errors. Once results match expectations, optionally copy and paste special as values to freeze them. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Verify number formats and named ranges, look for circular references in the status bar, and confirm calculation is set to automatic. If an error persists, isolate the problematic expression into its own cell and test with simple known inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.